Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to show Home button in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Appearance. Under Appearance section, toggle the button next to Show Home button. A Home button appears on the browser address bar. In the empty field, enter the URL of the website you want to visit when you click this Home button. Now, when you click the Home button, you will be navigated to your favorite web page. This is how you can show Home button in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.